Hi, I'm René Eisenbart, a watercolor artist, here to tell you about a new 3-day multimedia workshop opportunity I call Special Effects. In Special Effects, I will show you how to use acrylic mediums to encourage loose and vibrant watercolor paintings. Making a textural substrate is your first opportunity in the creative process to lay down the marks of the artist, enhancing and supporting the concept behind your work. Over that, the sketch, other applied texture, and of course the layering and lifting of paint all contribute to the final effect of your visual story. Our path to discovery is intentional play as we lay a unique, semi-absorbent acrylic base called ground onto the paper or panel. The paint will interact on your hand-textured surface in a manner that would be impossible using traditional watercolor paper alone. Once the texture is laid, you will watch the painting materialize with little effort as paint slides away from the raised areas and settles into crevices. This play of texture inherently encourages loose, vibrant, expressive images and will leave you with fresh new starts. Next, we'll focus on composition, value, and interpreting subjects. I will work with you individually to hone your vision as you create experimental works of art using reference you've created or acquired. Following an effective value pattern sets you up for success. Adding acrylic mediums to your watercolor technique will open up new worlds of possibilities. Any painting can be fixed with the right combination of acrylic grounds and liftable opaque paints. Build your skills, your confidence, and your imagination in this lively, supportive workshop geared for both seasoned professionals and emerging artists who are interested in pushing the boundaries of experimental paintings. The horizontally textured gesso under this 8x8 painting on wood panel, along with a vertical layer of ground, creates a tapestry for the image to flow within. The texture in this painting on panel simulates branches by using an acrylic medium over the textured substrate. This locks in paint applied underneath, serving as a permanent resist for subsequent lifting or layering of paint. Painted on paper, my intention here was to portray heat and movement, easy once I created the textured surface that makes paint so liftable with an inclination to bleed and run. Texture that formed as puddling paint dried becomes part of the drama.